We're finding at sharedserviceslink.com, where the majority of our clients represent kind of multinationals with big accounts payable organisations processing between 50,000 and 10 million invoices a year. What we're finding is the common theme amongst all of them is that they're trying to get rid of these paper invoices and obviously reduce the costs associated with invoicing. But what organisations struggle with a little bit are two things. First of all, the solution approach. So some of them are thinking, is there a silver bullet, one solution that will deal with all of their invoices, all types of invoices from all types of suppliers, and deal with all the kind of the steps in the invoicing process from receipt to pay? And our answer to that is probably no. It's about having a matrix of different solutions and understanding how they all fit in together and plug in together. The second issue is the sequence of events. So should they deploy one technology before another technology? And if they do follow a particular path, is there a kind of a higher return to do it one way as opposed to another way? So those really are the two big issues that we're kind of seeing in our client base. So I'm really excited about the conference that we've got this year. It's a little bit different to the previous years that we've run the event. In 2009 and 2010 we had the AP Automation Summit. This year we've got the AP Tech Summit, and the difference is it's much more geared around demos. So we've got organisations like ExxonMobil, like the Pentland brands, coming along and talking about the different types of technologies they've been deploying in accounts payable to fix a particular problem. So they're going to be gearing their stories and their presentations around demos. And each of the speakers coming along and talking for about half an hour, but it is really pinned around the demo of the software or the solution that they've been using. So it's much more about touching and feeling the technology rather than just hearing about projects. This event is very, very different to other events that I've certainly been to that touch on topics in this space. The primary difference is what I've just been talking about, which is the demo-based aspect of it. So we've got the case studies, the actual corporates, the end users talking about the different technologies and demoing it. We've also got an optional stream where we're going to have vendors in the market, solution providers in the market, talking in a very non-salesy kind of way about their technology and the features, the functionality of it. So that's going to be very useful for people that are looking to roll out certain technologies in their AP operation. Secondly, continuation very much of what we look to aspire to at each of our events, which is a very high level of interaction. So delegates now are realising that when they come to sharedserviceslink.com events, that they're very interactive, very much about personal engagement. We do a lot of exercises and roundtable discussions, roundtable problem solving with your peers. So it's not just about listening to presenters talk in a very kind of passive way. It's very much about what can you contribute to the event as well. And thirdly, there's the fantastic benchmarking data that's going to be dropping out the bottom of this event. When delegates sign up to the conference, they're going to be asked to participate in a survey. And that's all geared around AP and technology. And I'm going to be sharing some of the key findings of that survey in my opening session, and then we'll be giving all of the delegates their own version of the survey results so that they can benchmark against it in the future. To register, I urge anybody that wants to come along to do so very, very quickly, because we will be selling out for this event. It is one of a kind. I've certainly never heard of such a format before. And do register quickly. Come on board onto our website, sharedserviceslink.com. Email me at susie.west@sharedserviceslink.com, or call me, and we look forward to welcoming you there.